Happy Wednesday. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Adriana. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you guys can be notified of my upcoming Friday's video. So on today's video, guys, I will be doing a review on this Balm Diggity. Why am I saying Balm Diggity? I'm so old. On this Wet n Wild with Pac-Man collection. Just look at how dope this packaging is. And of course, little man was like, can I have it, Mom? So I'm like, okay. So I had to grab it again, snatch it from him, and put all my stuff inside so you guys can see it. But I am in love with the packaging of Wet n Wild. They are always killing the game with their packaging. So on the video, I will let you guys know my thoughts of every product and also the price on everything. And of course, learn how to create this Barbie-like makeup. I think it looks bomb, especially with this contacts. Like, I feel so exotic. Doesn't it look so nice? I love it. So enough talking. Let's jump into this look. So here's how the PR packaging looks. It is so big. Little man, of course, already took over it, and I had to put everything back in here just to show you guys. But I have not. Oh, you can see myself. But I have not opened. Anything just because I want to show you guys. I did do a little swatch on Instagram stories just so you guys can see, but let's open this big bag boy, and then this comes inside and it tells you all the information that you need, each individual price, collection, how much it is. So what it has right here, it has blushes, eyeshadows, and then a lip balm and a lip scrub. One of them is a lip scrub, and then it has a bronzer, and I think it's a highlight, I forgot. And then some lip stains or lip glosses. Yeah, lip glosses. And I think I said blushes already. Now in the second one, there's more, you guys. There's a shield, like little man said. There's a shield in here. And there is limited edition brushes, which in the inside has like some glitter effects, but it also has little Pac-Mans. And then some nail polishes. So I'm gonna get to this collection and show you guys each individual item that's in here so you guys can see, but I want to show you guys what came in my PR packaging. So cute, huh? So this palette is called Game Over. The colors are really crazy. They're really out there, really fun and bright. So I'm gonna swatch them so you guys can see. Excuse my nails. Look at that, girl. Just look at that pigmentation. I'm gonna grab some of this shadow right here, and as you guys can see already, it does have some fallout. Oh shoot, it does have a lot of fallout, so gotta be careful with that. And this palette also retails for $9.99. It didn't have that much fallout like on my eyes as I'm applying it. And this color is just like a beautiful, beautiful transition color. Even just like this, like you're good to go. So I'm just swiping it all over, blending it. It does take time. The brush that I'm using is the one from Morphe, the M513. It does kind of hurt a little bit, even though this is not a Morphe review, but I'm letting you know, kind of like pokes me. Or maybe it's just my brush. All right, so I think that's as good as I can get. Now I really don't know what look I'm going for this. Like, either keep it like this or just try on the other color. So comment down below, what should I do? All right, so I'm gonna move on to a different Morphe brush. I think this one's a R30, and I'm gonna grab that same color girl, different brush, and just apply that on the crease. You see the difference, how darker it is? It's because the other one we blended. And this one is just going to be more precise, I would say. I'm really digging this shadow. I always like to have two brushes just so I can blend while I am applying a shadow. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. It reminds me like of a sunset. Here in Arizona, we have like bomb sunsets. Also bringing down that same shadow under my lash line. This color is just so beautiful. I really don't want to add another shadow because it will just mess it up. It looks so beautiful like this, especially with this freaking contacts. It looks bomb. I'm going to be using their Waka Waka eyeshadow brush. This is how the packaging looks, super cute. Look at the brush, you guys. So this one is an eyeshadow brush, not a blending brush. That's why I didn't use it, but just look at, I want to see if you guys can catch the Pac-Man. Those yellow ones are oh, there he goes, there goes one. I love brushes when they have like glitter inside. They're really, really cute. Got you guys a little closer so you guys can see, but I am just cutting the crease a little bit because I do want to see how that color looks. But now I'm going to be digging into this color right here, which this one I think it has like more on the shimmer side. So this one is more shimmery and it's also orange. It's an orange color. I'm just gonna add that and pat it. I swear every time when like videos like this come out, like I'm like, I hope I can make this look wearable, but I just didn't want to, you know, use one shadow. I want you guys to see how it looks with another shadow. So now for the outer corner, I'm just gonna add that same shadow that I started with, and I'm gonna apply that right here. And also bringing it in on the crease line. How gorgeous is this? It's so beautiful. I'm gonna bring more on the top because it did fade away a little bit. So there you guys have both of the eyes. I'm going to be adding some eyeliner behind camera so you guys can see, you know, like the whole outcome. But the shadows didn't have as much fallout when I applied them on my eyes. They only did have fallout when I was just like messing with them, which is not bad. But they are so pigmented. That second shadow that I added is so creamy. Like even if I put it with my finger, like it's so, oh my goodness, there you go. Like it's so freaking pigmented and beautiful, and it's just like it has like, it's like a three-dimensional type of shadow because it has more color into it. Like when you move, like you can see the reflection. Okay, so I'll be right back. So that is it for the eyes. I feel really exotic with this color and this eyes, girl. I mean, I could rock this. I could rock this. I was like, I do have to go somewhere. Am I going to be able to rock this? But this palette, I give it a go because the colors are so pigmented. You can play with every shadow you can create like this, something, you know, more wearable look. If you guys seen when I apply the first shadow first, it was more wearable, or you can make it as crazy as you want. Sparkly, the glitter that it has in it, it's really, really good. It doesn't come out or anything like that. Yeah, it says it has with powerful matte, shimmer, and metallic shades, and everything that it says, it's true. So I'm gonna be adding some foundation so I can add the blush and the highlight and the bronzer. I'm more excited for the bronzer because I just love bronzer. So of course you guys know I've been gravitating to the Wet n Wild. Oh, obviously I'm using Wet n Wild right now, not sponsored by the way. Wet n Wild, come on, sponsor your girl. Sponsor your girl. So I'm using the stick foundation, as you guys already know, in Golden Honey because we all love some honey. Okay, so I already applied some concealer and a little bit of contouring, and I set my face. I'm going to be digging in the High Score blush palette. The colors are freaking beautiful. I tried turning the light on the camera down so you guys can see, but let's see. I think for this look, I want to go with, and I never add blushes, you guys know that, but I'm gonna add this pink right here. Not so much. It's just like the right amount. Let me swatch the blushes for you guys so you guys can see how pigmented they are. Let me turn this light off also. So they are not as pigmented. This one is. This one is the pigmented one. This is a little bit on the matte side. And I have this one on right now. So now moving on to bronzer, you guys. Look at how freaking cute. This is their bronzer. I am in love with this design. It's so cute. And on the inside, it's like little balls. And I love the packaging. It's freaking cute. I have seriously never... Ooh, no. I have never used anything like this, so am I supposed to use this sponge? It doesn't smell like anything, so let's see. Just gonna dig in there. Now, moving on to the blush highlighter. Packaging is the same as the other one, same concept, little balls. I'm just gonna swatch this one for you guys because I feel like this one is ultra like coral pink. So let me swatch it for you guys so you guys can see. Not really my type of color when it comes to highlight, but I'm gonna just add a little bit just for you guys. Just a little bit. Just a tiny bit. Let me... Can you guys see that? It is pink. I'll skip on the highlighter. So that's one thing I wouldn't get. I wouldn't get the highlighter. It's really pink. If you're my skin tone, it's too pink for me. So this collection came with a lip balm and a lip scrub. I already opened this one. I mean, come on. I first seen the packaging. I'm like, I have to open this one. Just look at how cute, you guys, it looks. This one's the lip balm. The packaging again, killing it. Wet n Wild. Look at how freaking cute. It looks like a cherry, right? Or an apple. It's not bad. It's like a regular, you know, regular lip scrub. Now the lip scrub is retail for $4.99. It says, score major points with the signature lip scrub that exfoliates away texture using the formula infused with murmuru seed butter, vitamin E, sunflower seed oil, jojoba oil to help the lips feel soft. So now moving on to the lip balm. Oh, how cute. Smells so good. It takes me back to grade school. This is how it looks. Let's just add a little bit. Oh shoot, that's a lot. It doesn't taste like cherry. It tastes like plastic. So now moving on to their Ghost Gloss Lip. Yeah, Ghost Lip Glosses. And the packaging, of course, cute. It says this lip glosses have mirror-like shine and long-wearing finish, creates a moisture-rich formula with vitamin E, murmuru, sea butter, shea butter to soften and improve the lip texture, and they retail for $5.99. So I'm guessing you're gonna be able to buy this whole pack for $5.99, which is not bad. It's like, I feel like to have it as a collection, is if you like collecting stuff, then this is really cute to collect. I'm gonna try this one because it's like the lightest shade for this look. I don't think none of those will look good on this, but just so you guys can see. Actually a really pretty color. Oh, they do have names. This was called Pinky. They are really moisturizing. This one is like a perfect color, I think, for this look. It's really pretty. It does actually go with it. They're hydrating. They have a little bit of tint, not that much because they are lip glosses, but so I have on Pinky, you guys, and the rest of the collection is in color Inky. Inky is the blue one, and then Clyde, this orange one, and then Blinky. I mean, is that like a, I don't even know, but maybe that's what they're called. I didn't play that much Pac-Man, but I don't have no clue. I will have to find out more information about the names, like Inky, Clyde, and Blinky, and Pinky. Forgot to use the other brush, you guys, but this is the Waka Waka powder brush. How gorgeous is, look at that. They're really soft. Anything, you guys, Wet n Wild brushes are really good and affordable. So now for the last thing for this collection is their nail kit. So this one's called the Perfect Game Nail Kit, you guys. The colors are just perfect for summer. Look at how cute. that yellow though. So there you guys have my review. I hope you guys love this look. This is like giving me Barbie vibes. This lip is so pretty. Loving everything in this collection except for the blush and the highlights. The highlight and the blush, they're okay. They're not my colors. The blush is like, it's not as pigmented as I thought it was going to be. And the lippies are really, really good. Loving the lip balm. The lip scrub is a little bit on the thick side. I feel like for your lips, it has to be more on this, like the grain has to be on the tinier side. The nail polishes are freaking dope and the brushes are really, really gorgeous. I love the color and the little Pac-Mans inside, you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you have subscribed to my channel. Also, please hit that notification bell so you guys can be notified of my upcoming videos. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys will get this collection or if you already have this collection. So let me know in the comments down below. Conversate with me and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.